So how can you record a gym workout on the Apple Watch? So you might be familiar with the Workouts app, and there are a bunch of different workout types, like running in the indoor or outdoor setting, some cardio exercises, and a lot of different things. But how can you record the gym session, like weightlifting and stuff like that? Well, if you cannot find the workout type that you are looking for on the main page right here within the Workouts app, scroll directly and all the way to the bottom of the page. There you should see a button for adding a new workout, which will get you to an additional list of different workout types. And in there, you should be able to find what's called traditional strength training. And this is a nice workout type for the gym, regular sessions where you lift weights or do something related to that. Now, you just started and you can just track it. Obviously, it will keep track of your heart rate and the calories burned and some other metrics as well. However, if you don't really need that and you would want something even more specific, you can keep on scrolling there and add some additional workouts, because then you will access a list of additional workouts which is sorted alphabetically, and this is very extensive. So you will find some even not so popular exercises and workout types. So if you want really something very specific, you should be able to find it in here. But if not, keep in mind that there is always this other workout type, which is like a general thing which can be used for tracking literally anything. So yeah, always use that if you don't find whatever you are looking for. So that's it. That is my guide. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it and find it on your watch. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next tutorials.